up? We're already starting off this video in kind of a bad spot. And let me explain. That's because we lost a ton of footage talking about this car that we built in this video. So before we get into the video, I just want to let you know we kind of missed all the initial reaction, things that were wrong with it, stuff we did, all the mechanical things that we fixed. So we're gonna hop right into the guys putting on the body kit after it had been resprayed. There were some small cracks in the fiberglass, so we had that fixed. So we're jumping right into these guys, reinstalling everything. The new BC Racing coilovers are on, and we're gonna hop right into it. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you at the end.
All right, so today I'm working on this Aero Y33 Gloria. I'm trying to get the AC compressor replaced. Everything's already unbolted. It didn't have any refrigerant in it to begin with. And yeah, it shouldn't be too difficult. We ended up having to get a compressor out of a 300ZX NA car. So the NA VG30E. Because we can't get parts for these out of Japan, so we usually have to get American parts just to make them work.
Same parts.
Same parts, just different car. Why are you not coming? Cool. So now all I gotta do is swap this bracket out, and a new one's ready to go.
All right.
Nothing to it but to do it.
Then we just get this thing charged in the morning.
And then I'll be on to the races.
Whole lot of front though. It's the Nismo Exhaust.
Nice.
It's so sick. Nismo Exhaust. Look at how big this tip is. Like, hold your hand up to that. Like, what is that, a 6-inch tip? Yeah, I mean, this thing's gonna be so sweet once they get it polished up.
Is this rock?
Yeah, it's raw carbon.
Kaizen fiber?
Garson fiber?
But yeah, super cool. I've got the end pieces for the wing as well.
But you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna clean that up and do the paint correction, and then we'll put those back on.
Yeah. Not ideal. Not ideal. Do a little twisting on some some tie rods.
13. Oh, a little too much.
So I had a question on your PowerPoint.
We'll
Oh.
go a little,
Oh.
little positive. We'll go like plus, that plus. And then
Explain to the people. We're giving it a little bit of
all right.
toe out.
So negative is toe in, positive is toe out. You want to give a little bit of toe out, so that way, you know, you got a little baby bit of toe out. You know, the wheels going in all the little dips and bumps in the road, right? And it just kind of straightens itself right back out. It's like self-straightening.
It adds a little bit of like
Stability.
Yeah, stability.
Yeah.
There you go.
Plus, you do a little bit positive anyways, because as I'm tightening this up, it's gonna change it anyways. So it's gonna take a little bit out usually. But once I get it kind of close, give it a little bounce. Make sure everything's good. Tighten it up, and hopefully it doesn't change too much. Come on now.
Let's see.
Ah, dude, that's money.
Oh yeah.
That's one side down. This car is a breeze, dude. It's taking no time at all. That's a wrap. Piece of cake, man. That was like top 5 easiest alignments ever. I'm glad you caught me on a good one. I really am.
Where you weren't struggling on just fighting back and forth.
It's always the front tie rods. The adjustment nut gets locked on the inner. So you gotta sit there and flaming it and penetrating it and flaming it and back and forth, and it never wants to come off.
Flaming it and penetrating it. We're gonna put that on a shirt.
That's what we're all about at Drive Motorsports. A little flaming, a little penetrating.
Penetrating.
Penetating.
That's not, all right, now we're not. We're making up words. These taillights are sick. Damn, no rubs too. So aggressive. So sick. All right, we're back in the front shop. What are we doing now?
Literally, I just gotta put in the cluster bezel and...
Oh yeah, because this thing's pretty tore up, huh?
Yeah, there's a wood overlay kind of like this, and it was cracked, so I just pulled it off.
So you literally just got it kind of popped in here.
Yeah, and there was something else I was supposed to... Oh yeah, there's a thread on the back of the steering wheel I gotta trim up.
Yeah.
I just finished wrapping it, and we didn't film that because that was an ordeal. It was an hour. It should have been like an hour job. It took like 3 freaking hours because...
Yeah, wrapping these steering wheels, we do this a lot. Especially on the Y33s, it seems like just the Nissan steering wheels, they get dry.
Yeah, they're nice and leather from the factory. Sometimes they do get a little dry and start to peel, but
these wraps are really sweet.
And they're kind of perforated, so they don't get nasty.
Yeah,
and doesn't get in there. So it's nice.
Takes some time, but
oh, but
it's
worth it.
Makes it better.
Where'd this screw go, man? There it is. I gotta grab a magnet. Drop
Yeehaw.
it. Hold on. Yay.
Yay. Oh, you got it back together?
Oh, yeah, it's all back together while you were looking.
Yeah.
Yukon. And
That took a whole 25 seconds.
Yeah, so next step, Ed drives it, and Ed's been breaking everything lately.
That's actually true. Everything he tries to drive is breaking.
I'm like, hey, Ed, I got this car. It's great. You'll love it. And then it just just breaks on him every time. So,
Yeah.
all that to say, this car, please don't break it, Ed. Please treat it nice. But yeah, he's once he says good, off the detail, and then it's for sale.
Yep.
It's about time, dude.
This one's been a little bit of a long time coming, honestly.
Yeah, honestly, it's just waiting on body work, getting the side skirts repaired. Like nothing huge, but this stuff takes time.
Yeah.
So, you're out a month waiting on some fiberglass repair, but shoot, man, now we're rolling.
Yeah.
Jesus.
And you got to do it like on cars like this. Like You know, when we see, you know, body kits or things like that just are, you know, it's fiberglass. It cracks so easy. You have to fix it on cars like this, you know?
Plus, this is at this point, this is a certified show car.
Yeah.
So if we didn't fix the fiberglass, like, we'd be paying for it.
Yeah.
This thing nice.
I mean, it's dirty right now, but we can tell what the paint's gonna look like once CJ's done.
Oh yeah,
with
real
it.
party.
Yep. So definitely a cool car. You know, you don't see something like this often. So definitely a cool one. I'm a big fan. And, you know, little projects like these around the shop get us super pumped. And that's why we like our jobs. How about that?
So, this one's actually in pretty decent shape. The top of it was a little bit rough, had a lot of oxidation, some scratches and stuff like that. So I went over the top with a cut, knocked all that stuff down. It's got a good shine to it. And then the rest of it, it's really not that bad. So we're just gonna hit the rest of it with a polish, clean it up and send it to whoever the lucky buyer is. Yeah, the guys had it washed up, they clay barred, iron remover, all that fun stuff. Deep clean on the engine bay, the jams, you know, same thing for every car I get. And then it comes to me, I tape it up, make sure all the seals don't get messed up, and then start doing my thing. After the paint correction is done, then I'll go over it with a coat of wax, make sure all that's good. We'll do a little outside detail, and then it goes up to the front and gets the rest of the final detail.
Jordan, what do we got here, bud?
Kaizen VIP package.
Yeah, so Kaizen VIP hooked us up with a bunch of stuff. We're doing a collaboration on this car here. So we've got a Garson Dad mirror. We've got, I don't know, some sort of tray. Kind of cool. But we've also got some Garson Dad window curtains that are going on. Got these super sweet Kaizen VIP neck pillows. These are going in the car. Gonna look good. Got some seatbelt covers. Super gangster air freshener. And in here, we've got some more special stuff. We'll show you more of that. We've got Fusa Tsuna from Junction Produce. But yeah, a bunch of really cool stuff that we're doing in this car. I didn't even open this. I don't even know what's in it. Oh yeah, it's the man. So, bunch of goodies going on this, and it's gonna be sweet. All right, guys, so that is it for this Y33. We're gonna get to the beauties in just a second, but just wanted to remind you that it's almost Christmas, so head over to shopdrivermotorsportsmerch.com, pick up one of our new beanies, one of our hoodies, shirts. We've got a bunch of stuff on there, so check that out. And then this vehicle is for sale currently, so go check it out, and we'll see you soon.